Let's go to the police station where complaints are being filed. Action is the demand to be taken against Rahul Gandhi and others. Shivani Sharma is there. Shivani, what do you see around you? Tell us about the procedure that is being followed. Has there been a police complaint filed and by who?
Pooja, there's a lot of commotion out here at the Parliament Street police station because since last 1.5 hours, Anurag Thakur and Bansuri Swaraj, the BJP MPs, are already here. They are giving statements. They've come here to file a complaint against Rahul Gandhi, as they have been saying that Rahul Gandhi was the one who pushed the BJP MPs, in which they fell down and they were injured. And now you see this movement of the cars. These are the Congress MPs who have also come for counter allegations, the counter complaint to the police. We'll try and talk to them. Sir, ये आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अभी कंप्लेंट के लिए सीनियर एमपीज आए हैं और पुलिस कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं जो खरगे जी के साथ धक्का मुक्की हुई है।
खरगे जी के साथ जिस तरीके से बैरनलिंग हुई तो उसके लिए।
So Pooja, you see, the Congress MPs have also come here. They are also here to lodge their side of complaint. Ma'am, what do you have to say? So we are live. Would you like to say something?
Let's wait for some time.
So these leaders from the Congress MPs are also here. And let me tell you that the BJP MPs, Anurag Thakur, Bansuri Swaraj, they are also inside. They are meeting the DC here at the Parliament Street police station. Both the sides have their set of allegations and complaint, and we are waiting for an update from inside where the BJP MPs
Shivani,
are
I want to
presently
understand this from you. These are senior leaders of the Congress party, Congress MPs who've landed up, India bloc leaders basically. And BJP already must be there. They have also filed a complaint. So are both sides leaders, do you think, presently there or about to come?
Yes, Pooja. See, one side we see the Congress leaders, they are reaching here. They are moving to a different side of this police station. And we also see more MPs. We have Pramod Tiwari out here, the senior Congress leader. Let's try and take a word from him. What is he saying about...
हुआ उसके खिलाफ हम लिखित शिकायत पुलिस स्टेशन में देने आए।
माइक तो नीचे कर लो यार। सर लेकिन बीजेपी की तरफ से लगातार आरोप है। थोड़ा माइक नीचे कर लो माइक यार। सर किसके खिलाफ आप लोग कंप्लेंट देंगे? सर क्या है?
हम तो जो सही घटना है उसे बताने जा रहे हैं।
बीजेपी के भी
Pooja, this is Pramod Tiwari and all the other MPs. So now, two sides together here at the Parliament Street police station. They've come to lodge their complaint because we know that the BJP MPs had come here earlier. They're still inside meeting the DC. And now the Congress MPs have come. In fact, the India bloc leaders are here to put their side of version to the whole ruckus, the whole confrontation that happened, in which a few MPs were injured. Two of the BJP MPs are already in the hospital, we know, and Pratap Sarangi is also in the ICU. Another MP, Mukesh Rajput from the BJP, he's also in the ICU. In fact, we also heard how Prime Minister Narendra Modi were talking to both these MPs and trying to take a sense of their injury, their condition. But yes, there are allegations from both the sides. There might be serious sections that might be included in the FIR against Rahul Gandhi if it happens, because you know how a Dalit MP, Rajya Sabha from Nagaland, she has given a letter in that complaint. She has also said that she's from the ST community and she has been intimidated. She felt unsafe. She felt really uncomfortable because Rahul Gandhi came really close to her. So these kind of complaints, these kind of incidents that took place will certainly be kept in front of the police officers here by the BJP MPs. And on the other hand, we've also heard how Priyanka Gandhi has been defending Rahul Gandhi. She said that Rahul Gandhi did not push the BJP MPs. In fact, the BJP MPs tried to push them, and Mallikarjun Kharge, the senior leader of the Congress, was also hurt in this whole ruckus that took place. So a lot of commotion, the situation still developing, but yes, now the focus of the Parliament ruckus has come onto the police station of the Parliament Street where we are present right now. We'll try and take a sense of what's happening because both the sides are here together to lodge their sides of complaint. So you see movement out here, Pooja.
So Shivani, for the viewer joining us, very interesting. Action shifting from the parliament where there were protest versus protest. Now there is complaint versus complaint at the parliament police station. This is in central Delhi, close to where the Sansad is. So Shivani, just tell us who all are from there, from who you could figure out from the Congress party, from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and what is their agenda? Because who are they saying has been targeted and by who?
Pooja, I'll try and show you the pictures also as we speak. See, this side of the Parliament Street police station is the carcade of the BJP MPs, which are Bansuri Swaraj, Anurag Thakur, who have been here at the police station since 1:30 p.m. after the incident took place. They directly came from the parliament to the police station. And right now, we've seen the leaders of the Congress party, including Pramod Tiwari and all the other leaders, Mr. Sappal, and many other women MPs also of the Congress, who are now standing at the other end of this Parliament Street police station. Definitely, they are not going to meet the police officers together. So one after the other, they'll be meeting. So they are saying that whatever the BJP is claiming is incorrect. They have their counter claims. They have their counter allegations. While the BJP has been saying that Rahul Gandhi, in fact, tried to push the senior MPs of the BJP, after which they fell down. They injured themselves. They are in the ICU. So two sets of MPs from the BJP and the Congress party are here at the Parliament Street police station. And also, Pooja, at 4 p.m., we hear that Rahul Gandhi might be addressing the media on this whole issue. So a lot of action happening here at the Parliament police station, action shifting from the Parliament to... Sir, आप लोग कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आप लोग यहाँ पर आए?
नहीं, जरा पहले उधर जाके
यहाँ पर आए हैं, बीजेपी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर कंप्लेंट कर रही है।
हम लोग भी उनके खिलाफ में आए कंप्लेन कर।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यही जबरदस्ती नाम ले रहे हैं इसका।
उनका कहना है राहुल गांधी जी ने धक्का दिया, उसकी बात
उनको एंट्री करने को नहीं दे रहे थे, उनको ही धक्का बुक्की कर रहे थे लोग बीजेपी वाले।
एक लेडी एमपी है बीजेपी की, उन्होंने कंप्लेंट किया राहुल।
वो गलत कंप्लेन है वो। राहुल,
अभी आप लोग किससे मिलने आए हैं और क्या?
यहाँ हम लोग अभी पुलिस स्टेशन में मिलने को आए हैं।
आप लोग किसके खिलाफ कंप्लेंट करना चाहते हैं?
अभी हमारे सारे एमपीज यहाँ पर लीडर्स आए हैं, देखते हैं हम लोग क्या।
So all the MPs from the India bloc, from the Congress party, Pooja, they are here. They say that they were being blocked while they were inside the whole area where this ruckus, where this confrontation took place. But yes, police officials will be meeting, taking statements from both the sides, the BJP MPs as well as from the Congress MPs. More and more leaders are coming here. We'll try and take a word from them, but they say they'll be discussing and strategizing together.
किसके खिलाफ?
See, these leaders are coming here at the police station and they are all saying...
Absolutely unprecedented. This is so bizarre and slightly awkward as well. These are lawmakers. They should have been in the parliament discussing policies, next step. But here there are complaint versus complaint being filed at the police station. One allegation is the BJP says Rahul Gandhi pushed and shoved BJP MPs. They fell and got injured. Congress party says Mallikarjun Kharge, such an elderly politician, Congress party chief, Rajya Sabha LOP, was pushed by BJP MPs. He also received injuries and fell. Eventually, it will be about the inquiry that has been asked for.